Hi there. My name is Dr. Karen Fricker, and I'm a theater critic and an adjunct professor of dramatic arts at Brock University.
And my name is Nathaniel Hanula-James. I work as a dramaturg, administrator, and theater artist.
Along with cultural critic Jose Solis, we've created a new open education resource, a free online asynchronous course called Introduction to Equitable Theater Criticism. The intention of this course is to lower barriers to participation in theater criticism by members of equity-seeking groups who are currently underrepresented in the field. It can also be used as a tune-up and return to first principles for those with some experience of reviewing theater. The course was funded by eCampus Ontario and built by the e-learning company Say Yeah.
We decided to structure the course as 6 modules, which Say Yeah recommended as an ideal length. We designed the course as asynchronous. Although the independent learner can make their way through the material in 1 to 2 hours per module, we wanted to give them the option to take more time, allow exercises and questions time to settle, and return to modules as desired.
We designed each module so that a learner can engage with it independently from the rest of the course or as part of a larger journey. The course can also be adopted into learning management systems in part or in full. Instructors can include modules, for example, in courses where students are assigned to write reviews and need background on how to undertake this task. Working with a template designed by Say Yeah, we designed each module to feature a balance between content and interactive examples. Course content is a mix of written text, videos, and infographics, while exercises include true and false tests, written reflections, and creative projects.
The course is structured as follows. Module 1 invites learners to question possible preconceptions about theater critics and to see themselves as already possessing a critical voice. Module 2 explores different functions of criticism, the importance of using specific and queer vocabulary in writing criticism, and the difference between fact and opinion. Module 3 widens the learner's scope further by introducing them to key creative and production roles in a theater production, as well as the core elements of a written review, description, analysis, and evaluation, introduction or lead, and conclusions. This culminates in the learner writing their first complete review of a theater production.
Having established the building blocks of criticism, in Module 4, the course asks learners to examine their own positionality and identities and how these inform their critical perspective. Learners navigate approaching the unfamiliar and explore the relationship between cultural competence and criticism. Module 5 widens the conversation around positionality to address histories of mainstream criticism in the Western world, racialized critical histories both outside and within the West, contemporary examples of resistance to culturally insensitive criticism, and alternative forms of critical and creative response beyond written reviews.
Finally, Module 6 anchors the learner in the practical application of the course's principles. We challenge the learner to research opportunities to do criticism in their own communities and brainstorm future goals in their criticism journey. A significant learning for us in designing the course was how to make it as accessible as possible. Say Yeah, as well as Anne Gagnier at Brock Center for Pedagogical Innovation, were invaluable assets in this process. They gave us invaluable advice on how to make the course accessible for screen reader, how to caption videos, and how to write useful visual descriptions where necessary for images and videos in the course.
Going forward, we hope that we can continue to refine the course by adding further accessibility resources, such as a fully audio narrated version. We hope that hearing about our process will prove inspiring in your future OER endeavors.